and Dragonou, Dragonou.
Christmas preparations.
Open up the Christmas box. Take the things we need right now. Lights and ornaments in a row. Everything is ready now. Pick a little tree in a pot. Water it a little bit. Take it home and set it down. Christmas time is coming around. Getting ready every day. Christmas time is all the way. Lights and cookies, fun and cheer. The best time of the whole long year. Hang the ornaments with care. Shiny balls and candy canes. Put the star up on the tree. Turn the lights on, nice and bright. Write a list for Santa Claus. Say the toys you wanna bring. Fold it up and hold it tight. Give it so he knows your wish. Mix the dough and roll it out. Make the cookies nice and round. Bake them warm and set them down. Santa comes when night is near. Hang the stockings in a row, waiting for the quiet night. When the lights are very low, Santa fills them one by one. Getting ready every day. Christmas chime is on the way. Lights and cookies, fun and cheer. The best time of the whole long year. Getting ready every day. Christmas time is on the way. Lights and cookies, fun and cheer. The best time of the whole long year.
Come play with us again? Click subscribe.